Meeta, I want to understand from you as an educationist, you have written extensively also about practical solutions. It's all very well for us to have conversations in the studio sitting here and trying to figure out what it is that is a solution or a series of solutions. While we understand there are no quick answers and no TV conversations are not going to solve this problem, where is it that we must start to look at to fix this problem? Because there has to be a starting point. Technology can't be an overarching solution. How do you look at fixing this problem? How do you look at giving some of these students answers? What's a good place to start?
There is a lot to be done, and I want to acknowledge the sheer massive task and responsibility that has been given to the NTA. The NTA has received certain legacy exams that were already solid and in place. But it also has this huge responsibility of building the exams of the future, which includes technology and non-technology solutions. इंडिया जैसे कंट्री में प्योर टेक्नोलॉजी सोल्यूशन होगा ही नहीं, हाइब्रिड सोल्यूशन ही होगा, बिकॉज दे विल बी पीपल जहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं जाएगी, आपकी कनेक्टिविटी नहीं जाएगी, आपके कैमरास नहीं जा पाएंगे, एटसेट्रा. हमारे सॉल्यूशंस होने पड़ेंगे हाइब्रिड. श्योर, to build that, we have experts on your panel. We have the most amazing people who have run education administration right here on the panel, who have taught the best of the best. Yet none of us is an assessment expert. And I think what NTA is suffering from is the fact that in our country, we are now building assessment expertise. एग्जाम के लिए आपके किस तरह की साइबर सिक्योरिटी चाहिए, एग्जाम के लिए आपको किस तरह की ट्रेन्स चाहिए, किस तरह की मार्किंग्स चाहिए, कौन सी पुलिस की बिहेवियर होनी चाहिए जो डंडा ना लगाए लेकिन बच्चों को सिक्योर रखे, आप किस तरह की डेटा ट्रैकिंग करेंगे सो दैट यू आर एबल टू पुट some sort of visibility on centers that have people coming from very far away, so that सामने दिख जाए अरे ये क्या हो रहा है इस सेंटर में. Even you do have CCTVs and camera, you can have a centralized office जिस तरह से Facebook अपने करता है जो प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं सिचुएशन के, दे हैव अ सेंट्रलाइज्ड ऑफिस. उस समय आप प्रॉब्लम रिपोर्ट करें, आप सेंट्रलाइज्ड ऑफिस सेंटर के प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करें, सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ द सेंटर एट द सेंटर, लेट इट नॉट स्पिल ओवर टू द एंटायर नेशन. हियर देयर वर फ्यू सेंटर्स दैट हैड प्रॉब्लम्स. आपके टाइम की प्रॉब्लम थी सेंटर पे, यू हैड अ सिक्योर सेंटर, 10 मिनट लेट स्टार्ट हुआ है, 10 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा देने की पावर होनी चाहिए सेंटर पे. दीज आर थिंग्स दैट एक्सीलेंट एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर्स हैव ऑलरेडी एड्रेस्ड इन द फ्यूचर, एंड आई विल refer to the excellent administrators on the panel and say, I grew up with exams in India. We had excellent exams. We trusted. I think we still continue to trust the exam system, and we admit there is a lapse over here. The one thing we need is instruction.
Can I just interrupt you for a moment? Can I just interrupt you for a moment and say that, we've all been through examinations here in this very country. Are you trying to say that students were better off earlier? Is centralization perhaps one of the things that we need to relook at?
I am saying that we are a much larger nation now, with much higher stakes, with 1/4 of our population under the age of 30. Okay. We have a young population, we have a democratic bulge that is taking exams right now. The pressure on the NTA is much more than the pressure on any exam system that existed even 10 years ago or 20 years ago.